Get ready to upgrade your workshop with these smart, practical DIY ideas that save time, protect your tools, and make your work more precise. We start with a simple but powerful improvement to a common tool, the hammer. This design includes a magnetic groove that securely holds a nail in place. Instead of risking your fingers, you can set the nail using just one hand, even in tight or hard-to-reach spaces. It's safer, faster, and surprisingly efficient. And when it's time to remove a nail, there's a smarter technique. Rather than using the claw directly and damaging the wood surface, you can use the side groove of the hammerhead to pull the nail horizontally. This distributes the force more evenly and helps prevent dents or scratches, keeping your material in better condition. Next, let's move on to power tools and how to make them more accurate. With a bit of creativity, a handheld cutting machine can be transformed into a mini table saw. By adding a guiding frame and sliding rails, you can achieve straight, clean, and perfectly angled cuts every time. This setup gives you the precision of a stationary tool without the high cost. There's also a clever upgrade for your angle grinder. By attaching a sanding drum or circular abrasive system, you can handle curved surfaces and small detailing with much greater control. It turns a basic tool into a more versatile solution for detailed finishing work. Now let's talk about welding and mechanical support tools. A simple yet effective welding rod holder can be made using a PVC pipe combined with metal fittings. The PVC acts as an insulated handle, protecting you from heat and electrical risks, while still providing a firm grip. So it's a budget-friendly solution that doesn't compromise on safety. Another brilliant idea is a handmade metal bending tool. Using old bearings and scrap steel, you can build a device that allows you to bend metal rods smoothly and consistently. This reduces effort and improves accuracy, especially when working on repeated curves or custom shapes. Finally, organization plays a big role in efficiency, and this video offers some smart storage solutions. Flexible plastic tubing can be mounted onto a wooden board using screws to create elastic slots. These slots are perfect for holding tools like knives, scissors, or screwdrivers. They grip tightly, keep everything in place, and still allow for quick access when needed. And for something even simpler, a portable tape cutter can be made from a short piece of PVC pipe. Add a serrated edge, snap it onto a tape roll, and you can cut tape cleanly without scissors. It's compact, easy to use, and works with different types of tape. All of these ideas share one thing in common: they turn simple, low-cost materials into highly functional tools. With a bit of creativity and effort, you can make your workspace safer, more organized, and far more efficient. Try these ideas yourself and see how much easier your projects can become.